In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Galaxy Watch 5 to iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Galaxy Watch, it isn't going to work natively with the iPhone. However, there is an application that allows you to connect and use them together. Something that I need to make very clear, however, is that for this to work, you will need to set up your Galaxy Watch using an Android device. Even if you use this alternative method that I'm going to talk about in this video, it will need to be set up beforehand using an Android device. So if you can borrow someone's phone, or if you have an old Android device lying around, you will need to use it to set up the Watch 5 initially. But if you don't want to go through this process or you don't have an Android device nearby, then sadly the answer is that it is going to be impossible. Samsung watches are not designed to work natively, so keep that in mind. But if you are able to set up the Galaxy Watch 5 or any other model using an Android device, after it is done with the setup process, what you can do is download this application, Merge. As the name suggests, this will allow you to use a Samsung Galaxy Watch with any iPhone model, and you will be able to control various different options about this connection. You can see notifications, sync health data and workouts, and much more. So download this application on your Galaxy Watch. You will see all of the features once again. Merge connects your watch to your iPhone over Bluetooth, so this is the purpose of the application, and you will be given an instruction here. Now, eventually, you are going to get to a point where you have to connect your iPhone. So they are going to ask you if you would like to allow your watch to be found over Bluetooth. Make sure that you choose yes, and now on the iPhone, enable Bluetooth, and the Galaxy Watch 5 is going to appear on the list of nearby devices. So as long as you are in close proximity and you allowed it to look for nearby devices, it will appear. So just choose it from the list, and immediately upon doing this, you can now connect it to the iPhone. So you choose the iPhone from this list, it is going to remain connected, and all of the features will now be available. Like I said before, this must be done after you set up the Galaxy Watch initially using any Android device, and if you cannot do it or you don't want to go through this initial setup process, then it becomes impossible. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Galaxy Watch 5 to iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.